Professor Shipra again with my new DIY activity. And you all know before I start my activity, it's let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So here we go. As you all know, New Year's is the time when we make New Year resolutions. Yes, so I have come with a new resolution activity, DIY activity for you all kids. You can stick it on your boards and you can keep on changing according to the months also. Suppose you make a new year resolution for the whole year, that's great, you can put it in, and if you want to make it monthly wise, you can do that way also. So you can just keep on adding your resolutions, like no chocolates, okay, will drink milk daily. So you can just put it inside, and anywhere on your clipboard you can fix it up with a drawing pin or something like that. Okay, so let's see what all things do we need for this. Okay, we need a white or any colored sheet. Fine. Then we will be requiring color paper of any color. I have taken pink. Here I will be taking yellow and green. Then glue definitely. Scissor, dark black sketch pen, thin sketch pen also will do, kids, and a glass to make this basket. So we'll just wrap it around our paper and we'll do it. So let's just quickly start. First of all, we'll just do the coloring of this sheet like this. So let's just start doing it. So instead of holding my crayons or oil pastels like this, I am doing it this way, kids. Okay, so just remember that we have to color it in a slanting pattern, not in a straight line. Perfect. Like this, we will color it. Now we will use any object and we will cut this parachute, okay, on our yellow color sheet. You can take any color. I am taking this yellow one. So keep this aside and just draw a half circle. Okay, half circle like this, and you can just draw it. Okay, I'm sorry, like this. I will be drawing it with a sketch pen also. And we will cut it. Okay, and then we'll draw thin U, the bumpy lines. 1, 2. I'm drawing it again to show you if it's not visible. Okay, and we will cut it. Just little bit, we'll do the cutting this way. So we have cut this, we'll stick it here, and from here we will take 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 thin strings. So which you can draw with a sketch pen also, or you can just take thin strips of a paper strip also. Very thin strips. Okay, and we will stick it. So like this. Apply glue and stick it. You can reduce the size or increase the size of the of these strings according to your size of the sheet also, kids. I have taken an A4 size sheet. So it's here. Okay, and we'll apply thin, very thin glue, and we'll stick the strings here like this. Okay. So same way we can do for the others, and we will be doing like this also. So you can see that this way we will just stick the strings. So this you can do with a sketch pen also, but this will give a nice lively look and you will enjoy doing this activity. So stick it this way. Now here at one point where your entangling, like this bunch is coming together, there you can put a thin strip of paper, a small thin rectangle I am cutting, and you can stick this where you can write 2021 as 2021 is approaching. Yes, that's for the new year for which you are making your resolution. Okay, so this is you have done this way. Okay, kids. Now when we talk about this basket. So for this basket, you can take this yellow color sheet only and first take a small piece of it. Take any glass which is available with you, any thin, not a very thick container, a container which is very narrow from the bottom, and rotate it like this. And you can stick it. So this extra part also you can remove it. We don't want you to fold it, okay? So just take half of your A4 size so that you can nicely make that basket. This way, okay? Apply glue at this portion. Okay. So it is a very nice way of making your baskets easy. Just apply, just stick it like this. You've got a nice big ring, but we are again going to put it inside because we want to close it like this. So for that, what you are going to do, kids, take this strip and approximately of the same size, you will cut your circle. Little bigger than what you have, okay? We will just cut the circle. We can nicely stick it like this. So apply glue on this tip or on your circle. So just take care you are not applying glue on the glass. I am applying glue here only on this tip. Yes. And then we will stick it like this. Just let it rest for some time. Just few minutes so that it sticks properly. Okay, we'll keep it just for 1 or 2 minutes for resting. So now this has got stuck to this portion nicely. we can remove the extra layer, this thin layer we can remove, or if you want to fix it like this, you can fix it on that particular sheet only. So that's your wish. You want to do it this way, you can do it, or you can just cut the extra sheet. So right now I am just trimming my extra. While trimming, just take care that you don't cut your basket, okay? Just remove the extra layer. Your small basket is ready. Now you can do one thing. You can make a face. You want to write something, like I have made a beautiful simple eyes and a smiley. So you can do that. You can write New Year resolution, anything what you want to do. I am again making a small face. Kids, you can even do in the same glass. So you will get quite a good balance, and you can nicely do it this way. In the same glass. Okay. Now we will just simply stick it with this. So exactly how we'll apply glue on this bunch. But before that, one more thing which you can do is, with your thin or thick sketch pen, just write 2021 here. And here you can write New Year resolution. Or what you can do, you can make a face here and do the vice versa. That's your wish. Just let it stick here nicely. Let it stick. Till the time it's sticking, what you have to do, take a thick paper strips. You can cut around 6-7 strips, and on that strip you can leave some strips vacant if you want to do monthly resolutions, and on some sticks you can just write your resolutions. Yeah, you can cut thin strips but of equal size. I am right now cutting them randomly, but then I will place them together and will make them of equal size. And as I have shown you here, I have written 2 of the resolutions here, and we can just put in like this. So you can see no chocolates, drink milk daily, some empty strips, and this way you can just put it inside your basket with the New Year resolution for 2021 is ready. It was quite simple. Hope you have enjoyed it and you have liked it. Thank you for watching this video. I, Shipra, is going to come back again, and wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.